Good day and welcome to my channel, Income Up Premium, the channel where we discuss how you can make money online through various legitimate means. But now we'll be discussing on Blum, a cryptocurrency mining bot on Telegram. Now, what I want to quickly discuss is how you can connect your wallet and withdraw your coins as we are on the threshold of being listed. Now, as you can see from the interface, this is relatively new. The right extreme corner at the bottom, you can see wallet. So I'm going to be clicking on it to connect my wallet. Now, it's a leveling up the connect wallet. Click on connect wallet. From this interface now you can see Telegram wallet. You can see the Ton wallet. You can see all these are decentralized wallet. Now I'm going to be connecting my Ton Keeper wallet. I'm clicking on Ton Keeper wallet. Now this is my Ton Keeper. It's saying connect wallet. Connecting my wallet. So you can use your Telegram wallet if you so wish. You can use any of the Ton wallets. Depends on your choice. But one thing you must take note of is that all these wallets you are connecting to, please endeavor to maintain gas fee. Because once it is being listed on any of the exchanges, you will need gas fee to move the coins to the exchange where you are going to sell it, the exchange where it will be listed. So that is very, very important and it's primary. So take note. You can see it now on this interface. It's saying active. And my wallet is active. So make haste so that your effort will not be in vain to connect your wallet any moment from now. So thank you very much. If it is your first time or coming across the channel, please do well to subscribe and hit the notification button so that you can be updated each time I upload a new video. And also please help me like the video so that more people can see it. Thank you and God bless you.